$9.2 million has been paid out in 82 days to our digital growth community. And we have over 24,000 members as of today. But let me tell you how it's possible. We are part of the Legacy Builder program, and we promote 4 Done For You programs that range from the lowest of $100, and we have a $300, a $600, and a $900 product. This is 4 streams of income, and we earn 100% profit. So every single penny that each of us members earn, that goes straight into our bank account. And the great part, guys, is that we all came in as beginners, but because we have an amazing mentor, live trainings, and live mentorship, we are able to get the proper trainings and guidance to see amazing results like this, guys. And you can be a part of this amazing community too and start earning daily pay, averaging $900 a day. All you need is Wi-Fi, a cell phone, and 2 hours a day. If you're coachable and can follow a proven blueprint, you will see success. So if you're ready to start your online business and you want to start averaging $900 a day, I want you to put ready in the comments, and I would love to share more details with you.